In this short video, we are gonna look at the ternary operator in Java. Ternary operator. So let us quickly create a variable and name it as salary. So int salary. Set this to 150,000. So let us use the ternary operator here. So here we want to check the condition if the salary of the person is greater than 1,25,000. Then give a small bonus amount of 500, else give a bonus amount of 100. So first we write the condition, which is our boolean expression. So salary greater than 125,000, followed by the question mark. So if this condition is true, we give a bonus of 500, else we give a bonus of 1000. So salary plus 500. Now to mark the else case, we make use of the colon and then specify what we want to do on the salary if it is less than 1,25,000. So salary plus 1000. Now we need to copy the result back into our salary variable like this. So this question mark and the colon together forms the ternary operator in Java. So let us print the salary now and give this a val. So Java C basics.java and Java basics. So you can see we are getting 1,50,500 because our salary was 1,50,000. It is indeed greater than 1,25,000. So this statement runs, which increments our salary by 500. So it gives us a salary of 1,50,500, which gets logged to the terminal. So this was all I wanted to cover about ternary operator in Java. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any query. Let's catch up in the very next one.